What if 2026 is the year that finally tests how ready you are to hold power without losing softness? What if it's not just about success, but about emotional mastery? Learning how to stay grounded even when your dreams start coming true faster than you expected. Cancer this year invites you to stop hiding behind, "I'm not ready yet." Spirit is whispering, "You are." You've been preparing quietly, and now the year of 8 is where your inner strength meets the outer stage. Hey, it's Ira. Welcome to your collective 2026 reading. Remember, this won't resonate for everyone, but if it's finding you, it's meant for you. This energy is for your soul's timing, not just the calendar. So breathe in, settle your heart, and let's see what power is rising through you this year. The first card that reveals itself is the Magician. This is where your energy begins, the full alignment of skill, intention, and confidence. In 2026, the universe is handing you tools you didn't even realize you had mastered, the ability to influence situations, create opportunities, and command respect without forcing it. But the test will be subtle. You'll be asked to use this power with integrity. There will be moments when shortcuts tempt you, when you'll want instant validation. Spirit says, pause. You don't need to prove anything anymore. Let your results speak. This is the year where people start listening, not because you're louder, but because your energy is cleaner. The Magician also speaks to your evolving identity. You're entering rooms that once intimidated you. You're realizing that emotional sensitivity isn't a weakness, it's your strategy. In love, it's a year where you might attract someone who mirrors your power, but challenges your control. Professionally, this is the year where manifestation becomes structure. You'll see your plans take real form if you stay disciplined. And financially, your intuition leads the way. Trust that the first thought, the first pull you feel, that's divine direction. The second energy rising is the Chariot. This card feels like your emotional graduation. The Chariot is about focus and forward motion, but also the balance between heart and willpower. You'll have moments in early 2026 where you'll feel torn between safety and expansion. Spirit says, choose expansion. You've already learned how to protect yourself. Now you must learn how to trust life again. Some of you may be called to travel, relocate, or shift careers in a bold direction. Don't fear momentum. It's carrying you toward alignment. But the Chariot isn't just about speed. It's about emotional regulation. You'll have to learn to drive your emotions instead of letting them drive you. When pressure builds, remember this. Power isn't loud. It's consistent. You'll notice new people watching how you handle intensity. Your calm will be your currency. By mid-year, some of your long-term efforts, especially creative or spiritual, will begin to attract recognition. This is Spirit's confirmation that you're not off track. You're finally being seen in the timing you're ready for. Next appears the Hierophant. This is the sacred structure you've been resisting. For years, you've wanted freedom from rules, but now you're being asked to build your own. The Hierophant brings the energy of teaching, leadership, and legacy. You may find yourself mentoring, guiding, or even stepping into a field where your wisdom is sought, even if you still feel like you're learning. Spirit says, mastery doesn't mean you've stopped growing. It means you've begun sharing. Some Cancers may join or create spiritual, educational, or community-based work. It's not about titles this year. It's about the value you transmit. Emotionally, this card brings healing with authority figures or parents, especially around validation and respect. You're rewriting your definition of success. Instead of chasing recognition, you're building credibility. Instead of seeking belonging, you're becoming the space others belong to. By April or May, expect a shift where your work begins to be referenced or remembered. Your name will start circulating in higher spaces. You've earned it. The fourth card is the Ace of Pentacles. Here comes the tangible breakthrough, a new stream of income, an investment opportunity, or a stable offer. 2026 is where your long-term security starts forming. The energy feels new but familiar, like something you've manifested in pieces over time. For many, this could mean launching a business, buying property, or stabilizing a dream project. that once felt risky. Spirit's message: don't rush the bloom. The seed is precious. Treat it with patience. The Ace of Pentacles also speaks to body energy. Many of you are healing your relationship with consistency, with food, rest, and movement. You'll begin to see that prosperity isn't just about money, it's about stamina. The stronger your body feels, the more wealth your energy can hold. 2026 rewards grounded people, those who take care of their nervous system while chasing vision. Remember, your worth isn't measured by how fast you succeed, but by how aligned you remain while building. Before we move forward, a quick note. I'm now opening 2026 private energy sessions, where we map your personal numerology and destiny path for the year. They start at $155. You'll find all details below the video. Let's keep going. The next card comes as the Queen of Cups. This is your emotional crown, Cancer. It's the version of you that has learned empathy with boundaries. By the second half of the year, you'll start saying no with softness but finality. You'll sense whose energy drains you, and instead of rescuing, you'll observe and release. In relationships, this year could bring deep emotional partnership or reconciliation, but only where mutual respect exists. You're done with half-love. The Queen of Cups also marks a creative awakening. You'll rediscover your voice, your art, your expression, but in a more confident, unapologetic tone. Spirit is guiding you to create from your healed self, not your hurt self. Expect vivid dreams, psychic upgrades, and moments of intuition that almost scare you with their accuracy. Take them seriously. You're being trained to trust your inner knowing in a world that profits off your doubt. Then comes the Tower. Don't fear it. This isn't destruction, it's redirection. Around mid to late 2026, something will break away suddenly. A job, a friendship, a home situation. But this isn't punishment, it's preparation. Spirit is clearing what can't hold the next level of your expansion. It'll sting, yes, but it'll also set you free from patterns you thought were forever. What collapses will reveal how strong your foundation has become. You won't spiral, you'll strategize. That's evolution. And here's the beauty. Within weeks of this change, clarity will replace confusion. You'll realize that everything you lost wasn't meant to anchor you, it was meant to awaken you. You'll see your independence grow, your confidence sharpen, and your focus refine. 2026 will test your faith, but in that test, it'll reveal your truth. The seventh card, the Sun, lights up the end of the year. This is success, recognition, healing, and inner freedom. You'll finally breathe in relief, realizing you didn't lose, you transformed. By this time, many of you will be celebrating milestones, a move, a financial goal, or a relationship that feels like home. But most importantly, you'll feel proud of yourself, not for what you achieved, but for how consciously you achieved it. You'll realize joy isn't a reward, it's a vibration you can live in. Before the last message, if you've resonated with this, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below how this aligns with your energy. It helps more souls find their path through these readings. The final energy is judgment. This is your spiritual closure, the moment you awaken to your higher purpose. By the end of 2026, you'll be ready to release the old story completely. You'll stop repeating what hurt you and start narrating what healed you. You'll forgive, not to forget, but to create space for more power. Spirit is saying, your voice will be needed in 2027. This year was your preparation. Next year is your contribution. This is the year where your destiny timeline aligns, not because you forced it, but because you finally trusted it. Affirmation: I am ready to hold power with grace. What I build in truth will last. 2026 is my year of grounded success and emotional mastery.